According to Colombia's state-run National Civil Registry, Gustavo Petro was elected president of Colombia on Sunday after defeating independent candidate Rodolfo Hernandez in the second round of elections in a very close race. With 99.67% of polling stations reporting, Petro, candidate of the leftist Historic Pact for Colombia coalition, obtained 11,266,138 votes, or 50.48%, while Hernandez gained 10,546,163 votes, or 47.26%. The president-elect said on Twitter that this is a day of celebration. President Iván Duque tweeted that he had contacted Pedro, who will take office on August 7th, to congratulate him. Pedro, 62, is a senator and former mayor of capital Bogotá.